Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a Brevo account. This is the first step to start email marketing, sending campaigns, and managing contacts efficiently. So once you're on your official Brevo.com, what you will have to do is you will see this sign up free button. So just go ahead and proceed to clicking that. And now you can either sign up with your Google account or sign up with your Apple, so whichever you prefer. So you could also, input your email, and of course, make sure to put a secured password so that no one will actually get access to your account. So anyway, once that's done, what you will have to do next is you will just have to accept the terms and click create an account, and then you will be prompted to verify either your email or your phone number. So what you will have to do is you check your inbox and click verification link and return to Brevo, and of course log in. And yeah, that's basically just how you can create your account, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.